So today, my friends, the sky is the limit and we are going to see the new heights that we can take our camera to. Thank you so much to everyone that has supported us with this series so far, but if this is your first time here, then we suggest that you like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We were inspired by a video that came out a while back by the guys over at Corridor Crew. They put the Insta360 ONE on a bow and arrow. And admittedly done a very fantastic job. And yes, you must be thinking to yourself, oh cool Hannah, that's nice, just copy the guys that have already did it. But we have one slight advantage in this experiment. We make the cameras, so we can do whatever we want. And for that, we're gonna need a few props. The drifter, typically used for horizontal shots. Thanks, Alex. We want to see how this bad boy performs going upwards. The slingshot, because why not? And finally, the classic, bow and arrow.
Which one do you think is going to actually go the highest?
Well, the sky is the limit, Sky, so let's see. So that, let's go. Put the resolution pretty high. We're going to be shooting in 5.7K at 30 frames per second. Okay, so drifter experiment was very low risk, still exhilarating, but not exciting or as risky as this next one. The slingshot went to relatively high levels, but not quite what we expected. So third, and most powerful, the arrow. Yes!
Yeah, fantastic.
Okay, so we've spotted some palm trees and we want to see what it looks like if we shoot directly through the leaves, up and then come down. Okay guys, so we're back and reviewing some of the footage, and admittedly it does look very cool. We're trying this in tiny planet mode, similar to what the Corridor guys did, and the effect, especially this one in the trees, looks very cool. The reason that I love this kind of footage is the editing is super simple. Just put it in tiny planet mode, like this. We shot all day in 40-degree heat, but ain't good enough, Sky.
Do you have the footage?
Well, I don't know why or how, but always when you shoot with this young fellow, you always end up at the dizzy heights of some building. But I am happy because we definitely got the footage and I can't wait to show you guys. And that is a wrap on another episode at Insta360 TV. Thank you so much for watching this episode, guys, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, leave your comments of the craziest ideas you would like us to try on the next episode. And that is us for now, and I'll see you next time.